Cabelco provides various machines and services in the global resource recycling field to create a recycling-oriented society. We have the world's largest share of vehicle dismantling machines. Mottainai, Japan's spirit of not being wasteful. Cabelco provides global services to help create recycling-oriented societies around the world. Japan is one of the leading motorized countries in the world. With approximately 77.4 million vehicles in use in 2015, it is estimated that there are 1.06 vehicles per household. In terms of ELVs, there are approximately 4.6 million annually. However, they are rarely seen on the roads. This is because ELVs are high-purity resources. Let's calculate the amount of resources that can be collected in ringgits, Malaysia's currency. The following can be collected from one mid-class passenger car. That adds up to approximately 1,000 to 2,000 ringgits worth of resources that can be extracted from each vehicle. ELVs are not waste. In fact, they could be seen as treasure that can be converted to money by recycling. In Malaysia, there were 13.3 million vehicles in use in 2015. This equates to 0.8 per household. ELVs in Malaysia are expected to go up to 200,000 in 2020. Today, there are many abandoned ELVs scattered across the country. They are not only eyesores and impediments to traffic, they can also have an adverse impact on the environment. However, as previously mentioned, ELVs are treasures that can be recycled. Japanese often refer to this phenomena as mottainai. In order to improve the situation, we examined how Cabelco can collect and dismantle Malaysia's ELVs and abandoned vehicles. There are thought to be several obstacles and challenges. First, finding the vehicles, then collecting them. The number and geographic distribution of ELVs may not be accurately surmised. It may also be difficult to share the status and gather data on ELVs, since all processes are done on paper. Additionally, ELV junkyards are thought to be full due to the increase in collected vehicles, which could prevent additional collection. Lastly, multiple government agencies would be involved, which could make the process time-consuming until the ELVs are fully ready to be recycled. Storing and dismantling ELVs. Processing each vehicle could result in low work efficiency due to its labor intensity and total time consumption. ELV distribution routes are also not yet established, which could make it difficult to forecast future stock and improve cost-effectiveness. These challenges may hinder capital investment. From this, we can conclude that recycling starts at the point of collection. Digitizing resources and ensuring the information is readily available for everyone to use. How can we streamline logistics and efficiently dismantle and convert ELVs into resources? One smart solution is the Cabelco Automobile Recycle Solution, also known as the CAR solution. Through the CAR app that is connected to a cloud database, CAR Cloud, the solution leverages IoT technology to visualize the entire ELV recycling process until all vehicles are converted to resources. Data collected and organized by the app makes for an ideal ELV recycling platform. This is an innovative solution that connects the government and private sector to improve recycling efficiency. Together, we can work to establish a sustainable society that aligns with the United Nations SDGs. The Car App, how it's used and its capabilities. First, the government finds and collects the abandoned cars using the Car App. When an abandoned vehicle is located, a QR code sticker issued by CAR gets placed on the vehicle. All pictures, location of the vehicle, and date it was located automatically get registered in the database. This eliminates all tedious on-site paperwork. It also allows other vehicle details, such as the pictures of the insurance card, tax due date, and license plate, to be kept and stored in a database. The registered vehicle locations can be seen on a map and change colors after a certain period of time since the vehicles were found, indicating they can be collected. This allows workers to easily recognize and go to these locations while also logging the date of collection. Once the vehicles are located, the government temporarily stores them at collection points until they are collected for recycling. The stored vehicles can be easily registered to a database upon arrival at the collection points by using the same QR code. This database contains information such as pictures of vehicles, insurance information, tax due dates, and license plates, facilitating the checking of vehicle ownership and transfers, which involves banks, police, and government agencies. The entire process, from storing to delivery, can be managed by the app, which also comes with a list of all collected ELVs and an alert function for when the storage period ends. The database could also be utilized for providing vehicle information at auctions in the future. Finally, when the storage period ends, the vehicles are ready to be recycled. Private dismantlers have access and can utilize the Car App as well. When a vehicle is bought or obtained through bidding, the dismantler can scan the QR code of the vehicle to register it in the database as their own. The dismantling progress can also be tracked and managed on the app when workers scan the QR code upon starting work. Vehicles with QR codes can easily have their data updated even after the vehicle is moved to a different location. By scanning the QR code, workers can view the status of the vehicle and find out which phase of recycling the vehicle is in. The CAR solution makes it easy to track abandoned ELVs from discovery and collection to dismantling, and seamlessly provides information on the number of ELVs in Malaysia, where they are, when they've been collected, and who dismantled them where. Integrating this on a data platform gives stakeholders access to important information. The app not only increases the efficiency of ELV collection, but also improves dismantling efficiency. A Kobelco survey on dismantling sites in Malaysia revealed that the process is mainly performed manually, which is laborious, dangerous, and inefficient. Dismantling vehicles consists of two phases. First phase, body and white process. Collecting and detoxifying oil and exhaust gas. Removing recyclable components. Second phase, dismantling white bodies. Compressing bodies for efficient transportation. Cutting and downsizing. Why not start incorporating smart solutions at dismantling sites? Kobelco is pleased to support this vehicle dismantling initiative through the contribution of our trusted dismantling machines, which account for the largest market share in the world, making dismantling white bodies more efficient. When compared with doing the job manually, Kobelco's dismantling machines can offer the following benefits: faster processing, smaller dismantled parts, resulting in more efficient storage and transportation. These machines also require a smaller investment than constructing shredding plants and provide higher efficiency. as it can handle a large amount of vehicles in a short period of time. The implementation of these machines can only make the vehicle dismantling process safer and highly more efficient. In the future, Kobelco plans to support and educate vehicle dismantlers by developing an operator training support system and a dismantling support app. Through education and providing the car solution, Kobelco aims to increase ELV recycling efficiency in Malaysia. Recycling abandoned vehicles, or dormant resources, removes them from various areas across Malaysia, improving town aesthetics and environment. This would revitalize the vehicle recycling business and boost economic activity. Let's leverage Japan's experiences in IoT technology and vehicle recycling and start recycling smart in Malaysia.